Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared two multiple choice questions for you. As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, choose your correct answers, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answers with my answers and explanations. So here's the first question. Cells that replicate themselves and generate differentiated cells when they divide are called, and here's the four answers to choose from. Answer A, prokaryotes. Answer B, eukaryotes. Answer C, bacteria. And D, stem cells. So, prokaryotes meaning the cell that doesn't have nucleus. And eukaryotes is general term for cells that has nucleus. And of course, bacteria just belong to this group. Bacteria is unicellular organism or microbes that doesn't has nucleus. So as you see, the only one answer possible here is the stem cells. So this is correct answer. Stem cells is undifferentiated cells of the eukaryotic organisms. I would also add multicellular organism, and stem cells would give rise to the cells that would differentiate and would make different kind of tissues with different functions. So next question, which of the three domains of life consist of prokaryotes? And I think this is very easy question. Most of you probably know that archaea and bacteria make two domains that doesn't have nucleus, and we call such organism prokaryotes. But probably not all of you know how these two or these three domains arranged on the phylogenic tree. So there are different variations possible. For example, this would be, for example, bacteria, archaea, and eukaryotic organism. So this would be the first variant. The second variant would be bacteria and archaea and eukaryotic organisms. One more variant could be, but this is not limited just to three variants, bacteria, archaea, and eukaryotic organisms. So which one to choose? And actually this picture would help us to understand how these three groups relate to each other. And as you see, bacteria and archaea on the different branches. So archaea is more closely related to Eukarya than to bacteria. Those archaea and bacteria both are microbes, and just at the beginning of the 20th century nobody could tell the difference between bacteria and archaea, because both of these domains, groups of organisms, look similar. So this is unicellular organisms. Some of them has flagellum, some of them has pili, and pili is such structures on the surface of both bacteria and archaea that allows them to attach to the different media or to other bacteria or other archaea. And flagellum is used in order to move in the media. Both these groups are prokaryotes, don't have nucleus, and both these groups don't have membrane-bound organelles. This is how these two groups are similar, and this is how these two groups are different from eukaryotic organisms. Then why archaea is on the same branch as eukaryotic organisms? Because actually those bacteria and archaea looks similar, but when scientists were able to sequence DNA of bacteria and archaea, they found that from the point of view of the sequence, DNA sequence, Archaea is more closely related to eukaryotic organism than to bacteria. Also, bacteria has glucoproteins that Archaea doesn't have. These glucoproteins can be found on the surface of bacteria and makes aggregation of proteins and sugars. And those flagellum has both Archaea and bacteria, but not all of them, but some of them. And flagellum is structurally different, is made from the different proteins, and proteins make different structures. And my last note would be that in many textbooks you probably saw that Archaea, called extremophils, that Archaea can be found in the hot springs, for example, in other harsh environments, like deep in the mines you can find Archaea. But this is not true that Archaea is extremophils. Archaea can be found in any type of environment, even inside your stomach, in your intestines, on your skin, in ocean, but it is very hard to reproduce the same environmental conditions for Archaea in order to grow it in the laboratory conditions. It's much easier to grow bacteria than Archaea. Those, as I said, Archaea can be found anywhere. And another comment would be, we know that bacteria cause many diseases. It also has many beneficial properties. Many bacteria, we wouldn't be able to live without bacteria. As you know, it plays a huge role in our digestion of food. But what is good about Archaea, this group of microbes doesn't cause any harm to the humans. There is no such diseases that caused by Archaea. So now we can choose our answer, and the correct answer would be Archaea and bacteria are both belong to the group of prokaryotes. So the correct answer is answer A. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.